Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do grid snapping in Scratch, which is essentially just snapping the object to the grid. So first you need something like a cube, which is what I have right here. Then as you can see, we have these dimensions that make up the size of the cube. Mine is 32 by 32. Now keep those dimensions in mind. Now when green flag clicked, we're going to create a new block. Let's call this block snap to grid, and then we'll have a X and a Y input. Now in the snap to grid X and the Y input, what we want to grab is a set X2 and a set Y2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set X2, then we're going to grab a divided by and a times. Now we're going to do a X position divided by X times X. Then we'll duplicate this, but this time do Y position divided by Y times Y. Okay, now if we do a when green flag clicked, forever go to the mouse pointer, which is your mouse, and then we do a snap to grid. Now here's where those dimensions come in. As you can see, it's 32 by 32, so we're going to do 32 by 32. Now as you can see, we have this non-smooth, but it kind of snaps a little bit. That's where the round block comes in. Now inside the round, we're going to do round the X position, and then we'll also round the Y position. Now as you can see, we have this basic grid snapping in Scratch. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. It would really be appreciated if you do, and bye.